How to restore Duolingo streak? Let's get started with the video. Initially open the Duolingo app on your device. Then tap on the fire icon at the top. Likewise, look for the calendar section. Next, exit the app and go to your device settings. Now click on the search bar and search for date and time and click on it. In date and time settings, turn off set automatically and change the date to the day you missed your streaks. Once that's done, reopen the Duolingo and complete any lesson. After finishing the lesson, go back to date and time and turn set automatically back on. Finally, open the Duolingo again and your lesson should now sync and restore your streak. That's all. You have successfully restored your Duolingo streak.